Hello KG and a very good morning. Today we are going to do maths. Hope you are all fine. Open your maths homework copies everybody. Take out your pencils and erasers and let's do a new topic. KG class, we have done the tables of 2 and 3 in the classroom. So now it's time for you to play a game with your teacher. Let's start. Are you ready? So let's do it. Open up your maths copy, a new page. First of all, write the date, and the date is 1 to 12-3-26, 12th March 2026. HW, homework, and the day is Thursday. THURSDAY, day, Thursday. Today we are going to do dodging tables. Dodging table means teacher is going to play a game. I am going to mix the tables of 2 and 3 and I am going to dodge you. But what you will do? You will be smart and you are going to do the right answers. So first one line of the table of 2 and the other of table of 3. That's how teacher is going to dodge you. But you are going to think wisely, be smart and intelligent and give me the right answer. You all know we have remembered the table of 2 and 3. Did you learn that? Okay, let's start. First, 2 twos are. This is a table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are. Very good. 4. The answer is 4. 2 twos are 4. The next is table of 3. So be smart and intelligent. 3 twos are. If you don't learn the tables properly, you will be unable to answer the dodging table. So learn your tables of 2 and 3 properly. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Excellent KG class. 2 fours are. What is 2 fours are KG? Let's say it with the teacher. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Which is the next one? Hey, it's again the table of 3. 3 fives are. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Is it easy? Check the next one. 2 6 are. 2 6 are. Say the table of 2 from start. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12. Now you know how we are going to do the tables of the dodging tables. So whenever you are going to do this homework, first of all open up your table book and revise the tables of 2 and 3 or from your copies. Okay? Then it would be easier for you to do the tables of 2 and 3 in dodging form. 3 6 are 18. 2 sevens are 14. 3 eights are. Is it difficult? So say the table of 3 with your teacher. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. Be intelligent and smart. 2 eights are. Say the table of 2 till 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. If you don't do it, then you will be stuck. 3 nines are. 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. Alright KG? That's how we do the dodging tables. Is it easy? So you do the homework on your maths homework copy. Do these dodging tables. Take a picture and send the homework to the teacher. Okay? Thank you. Now we are going to do the book work. So everybody open your countdown books. Take out your countdown books. And now we are going to do a new topic. Time. Yeah, it's a new topic. Open page number 7474. 7474. And now we are going to do together time. KG class, at your homes on your wall there is a clock. But do you know how to see the time in the clock? So let's do it together. Open your books. Teacher is going to tell you how we are going to see the time. So let's start. Whenever you see your clock, there are two needles. Okay? They are called the clock hands. Like you have two hands. Most of the clocks also have two hands. This one is called the short hand. This is a little short, and this is called the hour hand. This will show you the hour. Which hour is this? And the long one is called the minute hand. But you are quite little, so just remember, this is the short one, this is the long one. If the long hand is on the 12, look at the counting. Always in every clock, the counting starts with from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If your long hand is on 12, you always say o'clock. What you will see? O'clock. Whenever you see the hand, long hand on 12, you will see 12. O'clock. Then it is o'clock. Alright. But the short hand, it is on number 3. So what is the time? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. What is the time, KG? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. So I'll write it over here. The time is 3. It is a short hand. And what is the meaning of long hand on 12? O'clock. O. There is a little comma. And you will write clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. The time is 3 o'clock. If your mama asks, what is the time? You will see the long hand is on 12. It's o'clock. Which o'clock? Look at the short hand. 3 o'clock. Let's practice more. Now open the next page. Write the date at the top, KG class. The date is the same, 12-3-26. So let's do it together. Okay. What teacher has told you just now? Look at the long hand. It is on 12. What is the meaning? It is o'clock. And where is the other needle? The short one. It is on 1. That means the time is 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. So the answer is 1 o'clock. Is it easy? Let's do more. Let's do this one. Look at the big needle. It is on 12. That means o'clock. Where is the little needle? It is on 4. So you will write 4 o'clock. Write 4 o'clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. This is 4 o'clock. Let's practice more. See the green one, green clock. The big needle is on where? Where is the big needle? 12. That means o'clock. Which o'clock? 3. So it is 3. The short needle is on 3. The needle on 12 means o'clock. O'clock. 3 o'clock. See the next one. The yellow clock. Now you tell me. This one is a little tricky. Can you see a big needle here? But don't get tricked. This is the big needle. This shows o'clock. Which o'clock? The little needle starts from here to here. It is on 6. So the time is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Check the next clock, the pink one. You tell me which o'clock. The little needle is on 8. So the time is 8 o'clock. 8. 12 on needle on 12 means o'clock. Tell me the last one. The little needle is on 9. Write 9. And big needle is on 12. So it's o'clock. O'clock. The time is 9 o'clock. Alright, KG? Let's revise again. 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Alright, open up the next page. Yeah. Okay, KG class. Now there are two needles again. Now there is a big needle, but it is not on 12. It is on 6. It is on 6. Whenever you see the big needle on 6, which means it is half past. It is half past. Half past. HALF, half. L is silent like half. PAST, past. Half past. So let's see. It is half past. Where is the other needle? The other small needle is it between 5 and 6. So whichever comes first, you are going to see that digit. This is 5, half past 5. Half past 5. Because the needle is positioning between 5 and 6, you are always going to choose the first one. Half past 5. But you will say it half past 5. Half past 5. So let's practice it, that it will be easier for you to see the time. Open up the page number 7777. Write the date at the top. 12-3-26. First we have done o'clock where the needle was on 12. Now see at the blue clock, where is the needle? Big needle is always on 6. That means half past. Means half past. Say with the teacher, half past. And where is the small needle? It is between 12 and 1. 12 and 1. So what you will say? Half past 12. Half past 12. You will choose the first digit, previous one between the two. Half past 12. So let's do it over here. Look at this one closely, KG class. It is the big needle is on 6. The big needle is on 6. That means half past. Let's first write half past. Half, HALF, half. PAST, past. Half past. Which half past? Look over here. The little needle is between 3 and 4. So you always choose the first one, 3. Half past 3. Is it easy? The needle on 6 means half past. Blindly. Then you will choose the digit. See the next clock, the orange one, and you tell me. What is the needle on 6 means? Half past. Half past. HALF, half. PAST, past. Which half past? For showing the time, you will see the little needle. It is between 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Draw a clock on your love copies or take out ask mama to give you the clock on the wall. Then see from the wall, you will see there are 12 digits on the clock. It is between, the needle is between 4 and 5. So which will you choose? The little one, 4, the previous one. Half past 4. Okay? Tell me the next one. See the big needle? Big needle is on 6. That means half past. Half past. Always half past. Which half past? Look at the little needle. It is between 1 and 2. Check the first one. Half past 1. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next one. What is the meaning of this big needle on 6? Half past. Half past. HALF, half. PST, past. And to write the number, you see the little needle, small one. The small needle is between 7 and 8. You will see 7. Half past 7. Okay? And the last one, the pink one, big needle is on 6, that means half past. Half past. And which half past? Check the little hand, the small needle, it is between 10 and 11. So half past 10. Alright, KG class, that's how we are going to see the time. Is it okay? So let's draw it on the clocks. It's fun time. It's fun time. Let's play a game. Okay? On your books, the clocks are drawn. So we are going to draw the needles, babies. Write the date at the top. Every time you open up a new page, we write a date. Okay? Look at the blue clock. Is it beautiful? Yeah. So what they have told us to draw? 2 o'clock. Teacher told you whenever you see o'clock, where you draw the big needle on 12. So draw a big needle on 12. And the little needle on, which clock is this? 2 o'clock. So little needle draw towards 2. Very good. It is 2 o'clock. Is it easy? Check the next one. It is what? 5 o'clock. So first you see the o'clock. O'clock means the big needle is on 12. And which time you have to show 5. So little needle you draw towards 5. Okay? You can also make the arrow if you want. 5 o'clock. Check the next clock. Which time you have to draw, KG? 6 o'clock. O'clock means the big needle is on 12. Always. And where is the little needle? 6 o'clock. So you draw it from here to here. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. And check the last one. Can you do it yourself, KG class? What is written over here? 10 o'clock. O'clock means what? The needle is on 12. The needle is on, big needle is on 12. And which o'clock? 10 o'clock. Where is 10? Let's find out. Where is 10? So make the small needle towards 10. So the time is 10 o'clock. The time is 10 o'clock. Alright, KG? That's how you are going to do your book work. Okay, so take the pictures of all these 3 pages and also practice on a rough copy or on your maths copy. Ask your mama to help you in drawing the clock and tell the teacher how you make a clock and make the picture of a clock, color it and send the time of your choice to the teacher. Okay? Also send the pictures of these 3 pages. Take the pictures. This is your classwork and you are going to post the picture at your teacher's number. Okay? Take care. Bye bye.